How to install a car seat on an airplane. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST. Spring break travel season is coming, and hopefully by now you've gotten the message that if your child rides in a harnessed car seat on the ground, the safest way for them to fly is also in a harnessed car seat. The FAA does recommend it, even for children under 2. That car seat will protect and safely restrain your child in the event of a runway emergency or severe or unexpected turbulence. And on top of that, it ensures that you have a safe, familiar car seat in good working order with you at your destination. A car seat that gets checked as luggage can be lost or damaged, and a rental car seat you can't verify the crash or cleaning history on. It's not an ideal choice. So all around here, the safest and most convenient way for your kids to fly is in their harnessed car seats that you brought with you. Once you're on the plane, here's how they get installed. An airplane seatbelt is a lap-only seatbelt that has a locking latch plate. Once you buckle it in and pull it tight, it doesn't come loose again until you lift that flap to unbuckle the belt. That's what you're going to use to install your car seat. There are no lower anchors or top tether anchors on an airplane. For an infant carrier style of car seat, remember that you cannot use the base on the plane. You'll install the carrier all by itself. You can also do that in the car at your destination. You'll simply thread the airplane lap belt through the seatbelt guides on the carrier, buckle it in, and pull tight. It will look something like this when you're done with the seatbelt going over baby's legs. For a convertible or all-in-one car seat, you'll buckle that airplane seatbelt through the belt path, either the rear-facing belt path or the forward-facing belt path, depending which direction your child is facing, then pull it tight. Remember that if your seat is forward-facing, leave the top tether stowed on its storage hook because you don't use it on the plane. And also be aware that you can raise the airplane armrests to accommodate a wider seat. That is allowed. If you have a child who uses a belt positioning booster seat or a Ride Safer travel vest, please remember that they cannot ride in those on the airplane, but you can bring them as a carry-on so that they don't get lost or damaged. A backless booster seat can be treated as a carry-on personal item, or you can pack it in a carry-on suitcase. If you want your child to use a high back booster at your destination, pack the backrest in a hard shell suitcase and send it with your luggage, but keep the bottom backless portion with you. That way, even if your luggage does get lost, you still have the backless booster that your child can use at your destination. And that Ride Safer vest does come with its own travel bag. So there you have it. Airplane seatbelts have locking latch plates where you pull it tight and it stays tight, and you can use that to install your car seat. It's the safest way to fly. To ensure your child is able to use their car seat on the airplane, if you are in the United States, make sure you take these 3 steps. Number 1, purchase a ticketed seat for your child. Do not register them as a lap baby. Number 2, make sure your car seat is FAA approved and make sure you know where the label is that says so on your car seat. And number 3, make sure that your child is within the weight and height limits for using that seat. If you are traveling abroad, the rules may be different, so do some homework before you go. I hope that helps somebody out today. What questions do you have? Happy flying!